Properties of air pollutants, Part 2. Air pollutants and their properties. Air pollutants and properties of air pollutants. Before that we have read that what air pollutant is and what its sources. Today we will learn about the air pollutants that was created by human activities or naturally produces in the atmosphere. So what are their properties? Let's watch a video, and then see what are the properties, which are given in this video about one of the air pollutant. And what is that air pollutant? Carbon monoxide. Types of air pollutant. Let's watch them in video. Carbon monoxide, CO. Sulfur dioxide, SO2. Oxide of nitrogen. Chlorofluorocarbon. Let's watch what are the properties of carbon monoxide. Students watch it with attentively and keep records in your notebooks. Well, students, you must have worked in your notebooks what these signs are showing. As you see, there are some air pollutants names which are given in this video. Preparation of carbon dioxide have been mentioned in there, which is also one of the air pollutant. Well, you can guess from there that they are colorless and odorless. It means they cannot be seen or smelled, and it's a poisonous gas. In next lesson we will read about that's how poisonous gas is. Let's look at another video about air pollutant which we just mentioned in sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide, another air pollutant. Does it have any color? How you see a sign from what you have learned? And does it have any irritating smell? And is it somehow dangerous too? Now, students, you should keep these questions in mind so that we can better understand their properties. Let's watch its properties. As we just have seen in this video, some of the properties of sulfur dioxide have been illustrated. Now, you recall of its visual. Whether they had any color, or you see a red mark on it. This sign means that this gas has no color, it is a colorless gas. And how does this smell like? If we recall about it, then we will get to know that there was an irritating sigh, which means that if breathe in this gas, it causes some kind of anxiety or discomfort inside of the human body. So it cause irritation of ears and your nose. The third property is that of sulfur dioxide, it is corrosion gas that can be harmful. What does corrosion means? It smell kind of acidic. For example, if it drops on the skin or inhale through the breath, it will cause anxiety or irritation and also cause damage. Sulfur dioxide is also called secondary source of pollutants. Sulfur dioxide itself is a primary source. It means that it is produced directly from the activities in the factories and human activities, as you know where they are produced, or what their source are. For example, those industries where paper making or packing material is manufactured, sulfur dioxide is extracted from it. As well as transportation also cause a source of sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide also extracts from the uses of motorcycles, vehicles and your tractors. As like carbon monoxide also has no color, and it has the same source of extract, as we mentioned earlier. But if we compare them, you will find that there is no odor of carbon monoxide, but if the amount of sulfur dioxide is high, you can smell it easily. It will cause anxiety, or irritation to respiratory tract of human body.